Welcome back, YouTube, and we have some more masks. What is going on YouTube? We are back with another Lucha Libre unboxing or unbagging. Two new masks, two classic masks. Whoa, there's one. There is the other one. Look at those for classics. Have a little look at them. If there's nothing else in there, no. First up, Santo, the classic, probably the most famous Lucha Libre.
No tiene ahora compañero porque está muy lastimado, pero aquí se defiende como es su costumbre, derrochar.
Look at that. Oh. Bit just fell out of it. But how cool is that? Absolutely amazing. And then next up, another Lucha Movie Star classic, but also there is now Junior. I'm going to murder his name, so I probably won't try and pronounce it. Tinieblas. I'm probably butchering it. But how cool is that? So cool. And these are semi-professional. I mean, how good are they there? Absolutely amazing.
Le hablan, jefe. Dígame.
Les digo que estamos en el siglo XVI.
Y todo por ese maldito cuadro. El viejito que me lo vendió tenía razón.
¡Tinieblas!